Rebecca Parrott and Zied Hakimi were some of the most popular and attractive couples on season 8 of the 90 Day Fiancé program. Rebecca revealed before entering the program that she and Zied had been talking for over 2 years and that they had been dating for a long time. The pair first met on Facebook and began enjoying each other's posts. After some time, Zied Hakimi decided to pay a visit to Rebecca and obtained a K1 visa to do so. He then decided to marry Rebecca Parrott before his visa expired, and he was sure about it. Many of the show's viewers and fans had speculated as a fake drama of Zied for marriage and regarded him as the negative aspect of their marriage. While Zied Hakimi and Rebecca Parrott were seated in their living room, they heard tremendous sounds. The 90 Day Fiancé pair proceeded to find out what was causing the noise. According to Rebecca, Lucy, their cat, had leaped on top of some newly stacked storage bins in their laundry room. She said that everything came tumbling down when she jumped on the crates. Fortunately, their cat did not sustain any injuries as a result of the incident. It did, however, result in a calamity. The enormous collision had blocked the entrance to the room, as Rebecca Parrott of 90 Day Fiancé discovered. She and Zied Hakimi were unable to enter the area to assess the damage. To open the door, Zied had to unleash his inner Spider-Man and climb over the barricade. Rebecca believed that the arrangement of their loft made it simpler to deal with the issue. There always seems to be something going on in Rebecca Parrott and Zied Hakimi's home. There is never a dull time at their house, according to Rebecca. She is grateful to have Zied in her life since he never fails to make her laugh and has the most positive attitude about everything. To rescue the day, Zied Hakimi reached unprecedented heights. His courageous gesture was even recorded on tape by the 90 Day Fiancé cast member's wife. Zied is seen perched on top of the wall, attempting to leap down. Rebecca Parrott warned Zied many times to be careful. She didn't want him to have to deal with any injury. She also stated that she would be unable to assist him if he fell into the laundry area. To get him out, Rebecca would have to contact the fire department. Rebecca Parrott was relieved that her husband chuckled at the scenario while waiting for Zied Hakimi to open the door. Most people, she claimed, would have been enraged. Zied, on the other hand, appears to be unafraid of heights and would gladly scale walls to rescue the day at any time.